Another big day at the garden. We're harvesting. It's Ampalaya this time leaves because we're cooking something special. Something special and delicious. Not just that, it's quick and easy, I promise. It's certainly another extra rice experience today. It's Ampalaya leaves and mushrooms. Join me at the shed. It is mushroom guisado with Ampalaya leaves. Man and Grace and I had fun cooking it, and we couldn't stop from savoring it. It was really good. We have to be honest, it was really good. We could hardly stop, believe me. Airplane. We have to stop there. There's an airplane above. A chance to roll our channel intro. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romelo at the garden. Hello, good morning. As you've seen, it's Ampalaya again today. It's vegetarian. Not totally because we are using pork limpo. It is stir-fried mushrooms with Ampalaya leaves. Of course, we're introducing flavoring to it by adding pork and onion and garlic, homegrown. That wasn't very precise. In fact, it is stewed mushrooms with Ampalaya because we're adding some water to it. We need liempo or pork belly, and of course, as usual, onions plus garlic. We're at the farm, so no refinements in preparation. So, mushrooms are not washed because they act as sponge. They will absorb water. So we just have to shred them or tear them like paper, like what I'm doing here, into bite sizes or spoon sizes. The ingredients are ready. They've been prepped. We bring them inside because we're cooking inside. And we are at the shed. We'll just have to render the pork first. Just adding some water to help it render fat. It's almost ready. It's turning golden brown, and that's what we want. We ran out of gas inside. It was not obvious, but I added first the onions and then the garlic. And then stir fry. We add the mushrooms and stir fry them until they absorb the oil, until they wilt and absorb the oil, just like this. Now we can add water. Remember, this is stew. This is not stir fry solo. You can add more water if you want this to become soup instead. We'll just cook this in around 5 minutes, and then I'll add the Ampalaya. And we have a guisado mushroom with Ampalaya. We'll add the seasoning. It may be bagoong or batis once it boils. And if you like this dish, chances are you're homesick. There's a channel for places events like this, Intramuros. May barrio, may mundo. And our dish begins to boil briskly. And this is the perfect time to add patis or bagoong sauce, whichever you prefer. But patis is the most convenient and milder taste compared to bagoong. And let's give it another 5 minutes. And finally, we add the Ampalaya leaves. They cook easily. Less than 1 minute, it should be done. Let's give it just 1 minute and lead on. Turn off the flame and we're done. Man and Grace and I couldn't contain our excitement. Really. This is not roleplay, we're really excited. This could have been behind the scenes shots, but we just want to share our excitement. After all, we grow, cook and share here, including our excitement. Thank you for joining us today. Promise, this was really delicious. Gawa na din, make one at home. Tip, minimize the sauce.
Dit is allemaal oranje nog
Ook de naam komt wel hier, maar met name de Noord-Afrikanen.
Ja.
Die sturen gewoon de kinderen vooruit en dan...
If you're in a foreign country, look for this.
Want dat heb je in Eindhoven ook een centrum voor die mensen ook hier.
Yes naman, ay na, maibusan na dato ito eh, kararaman ko.
Jij en ik doen dat niet, je kunt er nog tegen zijn.
Sabagay, okay lang.
Houdt toch geen brand staan? Blijf toch af. We kunnen wel eens roepen.
Nagimas dati ni, kasi lang nagapod yung taltalon nga mushroom. Kan paria.
Nu, er zitten veel scheefsituaties, daar weet ik ook.
In Eindhoven heb je op de wachtlijst staan om een huurhuisje te krijgen.
Ja, dat bedoel ik.
Sinit pa yung dila ko.
Die komen binnen en...
Di ba naging masak sa mga?
Hapon, nagimahaw.
Hindi ka mamahan? Apa ka naging mas mahal. Again, thank you for joining us here today. I hope you've been inspired to grow, cook, and share, and be self-sufficient. See you on the next video.